Okay, fifth graders, here is the other experiment that I told you I was going to talk about. Okay, what you need is vegetable oil again. You need water. You need a glass. I would suggest like a glass that bevels out, sort of like a wine glass or something, has a bigger bottom than a top. And you'll need Alka-Seltzer or seltzer tablets, okay? You can get the generic brand. It doesn't have to be the name brand. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to pour some oil, okay? Pour some oil, oops, into the glass. And again, I'm making a mess. Don't try not to make a mess. But have paper towels and stuff to clean up. So I'll just cover this down and try to get my oil up here in a second. Okay, so I'll just hold off that mess. Okay, then what you're going to do is you're going to take some water. Again, it's not really an exact measurement. You just want to fill that about halfway. Okay, and we're doing density. So remember, we're talking about densities, and water is less dense than oil. Okay, so the water is going to end up settling at the bottom. Okay, so I'm just going to pour some of this in, and you'll watch where it goes to the bottom. Okay, maybe just a tad bit more. Okay, there we go. And you can see now where the oil is coming up and the water has settled at the bottom, right? Okay, so we're letting that go. Okay, might need just a little bit more water, the way I'm looking at it. Well, just a tad. A smidgen, I don't know what you want to call those measurements. Again, they don't have to be exact, okay? Okay, and now you can just choose one color of food coloring. And if y'all know me, you know that I like red, okay? It's one of my favorite color, okay? So I'm going to add in probably 10 drops of the food coloring. And you'll see just 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 5, okay, there's 6, there's 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so you put some food coloring in, and you can see how the drops are going down because they're water-based. They're going to go to the oil, and then they're going to kind of end up settling. But then what you need to do is you need to take a seltzer tablet, okay? And you need to, you might, just in case, get me like a paper plate, okay? All right, and then you want to drop the seltzer in, okay? And then you want to watch what happens. You have to zoom in, Kate. You want to watch what happens. I think it should be okay. I got a paper plate just in case, but it shouldn't go over. Okay?
Whoa.
So I'm going to push that a little forward, and you should see what's happening. And then watch.
Oh, it's alive.
Okay?
Oh, wow.
And you'll see it kind of like making little eruptions. It should eventually, you can see up in here in the oil, it's kind of making spirals. When it goes, we'll give it enough time to go, and it should form a complete whirl, like a tornado almost. Can you see it happening up there in that oil?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Okay, you can see the little tornadoes in the water.
Ooh, it looks like a live creature in there.
Okay, and that's kind of a cool one. Oh, there's one that was forming in the middle. You can just see how they go. My photographer's going to do a little moving around to show you, but it's kind of cool. Okay, so enjoy doing this one. I'm going to leave it going. You can see that it's going to form in the oil. It'll form the little tornadoes going up. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this one. Again, this has to do with density, and then the reaction of the seltzer just to water forms the bubbling, the effervescence, and then the food coloring gets it and goes in with it. Okay, well, enjoy this one too, guys. and take some pictures of stuff that you're doing. Send it to me. I'll post it on the classroom. I know it's our last day, so I want you to have fun. And I'll even put a couple of you guys on Facebook if your parents okay when you send them to me. All right? Take care, guys. Talk to you at Zoom. Bye.